LCM, least common multiple. To explain this LCM, we need to know what actually a multiple is. Multiple is basically the times of any number. The times of in the sense means suppose 8 is any number. Then times means 8 ones are 8. 8 2 8 twos are means 2 times of 8 16. 8 threes are 24. Here 8 16 24 32 40 are multiples of 8. If you get it what multiple is, then it is easy for you to know what least common multiple is. Least common multiple basically means it is first of all you need to know that LCM is always calculated for more than one numbers. It may be 1, it may be 2, sorry, not 1, it may be 2, maybe 3 or more than 2. At least 2 numbers are required to calculate LCM. Okay. To have a more prescribed, we also further get it with example. But let us break even in the definition that least common multiple is basically, we say that two numbers are able to divide any particular number. I know I am not able to explain that much clear to the point, but I provide you example through which it is more clear, more clear. Suppose there are two numbers, 2 and 8, and we need to calculate the LCM of these two numbers, 2 and 8. Then if we do progressive multiples of 2, that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and further, and 8, 8, 16, here we see that when we do this we observe that the one multiple of 2 is 8, and 8 is obviously the multiple of 8 itself. Here we get that 8 is that least multiple of these two numbers that are exactly divisible by 2 and 8. That's why in this case it is the LCM of these two numbers. Let's take another example for say 20 and 40. It is even more easier than previous one, that if we get a multiple of 20 is 20 40, and here through our observation we stopped at 40. 40 itself is a multiple of 40 itself. So in this case 40 is the LCM of these two numbers, 40 and 20. And by the continuous calculation there are three possible ways that are categorized to calculate LCM. First of all, I explain you, basically I name all these three methods, then one by one we will explain in brief. And the names are, first is long division method, second is prime factorization method, and third is we say that general method, hit and trial method, or we say just jugaad method to just solve our question. In prime factorization, this is second one. First one is long division method. What actually long division method is? Suppose we take two example, two numbers basically, and we need to calculate the LCM of these two numbers, and the numbers are 2, 6. I am taking these small numbers because these are easy to get it, what I am trying to say, and easy to understand. Then the similar things we will apply to the greater numbers. Another 2, 6. We need for calculating LCM of these two numbers by long division method, we need to just put 2, 6 as it is. Then we draw a horizontal line just beneath 2, 6 and a vertical line just from the side of 2 and a particular origin just like that. From here we put numbers of prime factorization, and from this side there is 2, 6 and as the name prescribes that this method is long division method. So we need numbers that actually exactly divides 2, 6, but we took those numbers that are from initially from those natural numbers, that means those we are trying to get. I'm sorry, I am creating too much complexity. Let's relax and do it better. We need such prime numbers that divide 2, 6 or either one of them, and we take here we see 2, 6. There are two possibilities we take. First possibility is 1, that 1 exactly divides 2 and 6, but we not need to take 1. We need at the first step we need to take numbers other than 1. Here rather than 1 we have also two possibilities, that is 2, 3 or 6, but we need to put prime numbers firstly. Under this category we again have two possibilities, 2, 3, but in such scenario also we need the smaller prime number, and in this case that is 2. I hope you get it. 2, 3, we need to put on the left side 2 and divide 2, 3. Here under the horizontal line we need to put 2 1s are 2, means 2 is completely divisible by 2, and 3, 2 3s are 6, and 3s are 6, and we need to write 3 under 6. Again the same process we repeat till the lower portion and all the numbers are 1 1 1 like that. And in the second step we need to divide this by 3. First one is 1 already, and again that one is already. So here from the left hand side, from top to bottom, we took all the number and calculated them. Here 2 and 3 are on the left side, so we need to just calculate 2 into 3, and 6 is the LCM in this case. I hope I am able to explain you. I know I am much not, a bit fluctuating, but I feel it's okay. And the second method to calculate LCM is prime factorization method. Let us take another example. Let us take 12 and 18, and we need to calculate LCM of this number. Then how we calculate LCM of 12, 18? Here, first of all we need to simplify this number 12 and 18 till we reach to its prime factors. In case of the number 12, the factors are 6, 2, 2 into 3 into 2, means 2 square into 3, 2 की power 2 into 3 is the prime factor of factorization of 12. Just remember this statement and this number and the prime factors. And in the next step we need to similarly we need to factorize 18. 18 is written as 9 into 2 and 3 square into 2. From above number 12 we get 2 square into 3, and from 18 we get 2 into 3 square. And here we tend to get the number of higher exponent. just we match and we found that, sorry, it was like I know the process, but I'm not able to explain in words properly, but I try my best. That we need to observe all the numbers from both the numbers. I'm sorry, we need to observe all the factors from the numbers. Here we get 2 and 3 are the numbers that are in prime factorization, and for each numbers that are in factors, we need or we tend to value them with the highest power. For example, sorry, not for example, just stick to that example of number 12 and 18, and we get 2 is with maximum power 2 and its value is 4, and we put a multiple sign in between, and 3 with power 2 and value is 9, and 9 4 is 36 is the LCM for 18 and 12. Hope you get it. Sorry man. And the third method is common sense method, or we basically say jugaad method, and this method is you get it as much you can do practice. For example, 25, 50, it is just common sense that 50 is the number that is also multiple of 25 and 50 itself. In similar way, 121, 11, 121 is the LCM, means the number of times, the quantity you do practice of such questions, you will easily remember or recognize those patterns and observe, and you will able to solve in lower times.